In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Xbox gift card on Amazon and whether or not it is possible to do this. So let's say you have a gift card that is made for Xbox or Microsoft accounts and you want to redeem it on Amazon to purchase games for your Xbox console or anything else. Is there any way to get it done? Well, first, to actually redeem your Xbox gift card, you must go to xbox.com/redeem or open the Microsoft Store directly on a console. Then in there, you will find the redeem option where you can input the 25-character code. So you will input the entire code as needed and eventually redeem it into your Xbox or Microsoft account. Now, sadly for this video, I don't have a code available, but if you do, it is going to be verified and added into your account. But what about redeeming it on Amazon? Well, if you try to go over to amazon.com/redeem, you will find the option to enter a code here for Amazon, so you can input the entirety of the code, click apply to your balance, and then it is going to be attempted to use. However, because the codes are not interchangeable, it isn't going to work. Sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that if you have an Xbox gift card, it is impossible to use it within Amazon. Xbox gift cards can only be redeemed to a Microsoft account either through the website at xbox.com/redeem or through the Microsoft Store directly on your console. You cannot redeem it in other services or websites. So the only option becomes going to something like Gift Card Exchange. So you can visit this community and find someone who is willing to trade with you. So you can offer your Xbox gift card in exchange for an Amazon gift card. You can offer money or only the gift card, or alternatively look for friends or family who would possibly be willing to do this trade with you. Because besides this option of exchanging the gift card, you will not be able to use it inside of Amazon. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using Xbox gift cards and how it is not possible for you to redeem it on Amazon in any easy way. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed, so you can really help us by subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.